turn number one, decided to slide back in line. Didn't have enough of a run to try and challenge O'Ward into that corner. Newgarden creeping back in on Rossi.
To go at the line.
Oh, they're weaving.
And here comes Dixon trying to make a push. Now Otto O'Ward pedaling hard, trying to catch up with Joseph Newgarden in turn It is time to run in anger. Here they are. Here comes McLaughlin getting around. Now Kirkwood. It is seriously on right now. Backstretch.
Oh, they're doing the weave. Oh, I'm proud of this. Pato had a legitimate shot to win this thing.
Newgarden second. Rossi is still not
able to
close back up on Newgarden. And Dixon is not yet in this fight for the front spot. Yet. Still got 4.5 laps to go as they hit turn 3.
Here we go! Newgarden to the inside! Newgarden back up front! 4 laps to go!
Next time by, 3 to go. And Joseph Newgarden just showed some Chevy muscle and made his move to the front. To the backstretch they go. Otto, Rossi, Dixon, all chasing Joseph Newgarden.
Last lap line for Newgarden, 219.2 miles. Rossi ran a 2. When he had that lunge forward, so he has to settle back in line, drop those couple of car lengths off Newgarden's rear wing, and try it again. A 2:21 last time by from Newgarden.
What a show. Here's Newgarden down the backstretch. Next time by, 2 to go. They're in turn 3. Joseph Newgarden.
Turn number 1. O'Ward trying
Come on, Pat,
to
stay back. You don't need to pass him yet. Don't pass him yet. Save it for the last lap.
They're coming toward the white flag.
Yes, they are.
It's going to get this done.
Down to the final 2 laps.
Is Pat risking it? Is he going to risk it? No, he's not. He's not risking it. He's not risking it. He's being smart.
Oh, yeah. Let's see if he's going to try to get this time.
Here we go. Out of 4. White flag is in the air. Who's going to win? DSC 500. Here we go. Let's go for the lead. Pat O'Ward to the lead. Pat O'Ward leads turn number 1. Who's going to get this thing done? in a row for Joseph Newgarden.
Newgarden holds off Award. What a thrilling last couple of laps. Newgarden, Award, Dixon, Rossi, Cologne.
What a duel. The outside of turn.
Here's your winner, Joseph Newgarden.
The down main straightaway with his whole last segment of the race. The outside.
And he made it stick. He made it stick.
Number 20.
Yeah, congratulations to Roger Pinsky and the entire team. 20th victory.
I think these fans know what's going to happen here.
Here we go. Here he comes. He's stopping once again at the yard of race. He did it. Joseph Newgarden climbing out.
Here we go again.
High fives and hugs.
Here we go. We're doing this all over again.
He's going back into the
Here we go. This way.
stands.
Into the stands again.
Yeah, exactly.
Sorry. Excuse me all.
He's going up in the stands. What a celebration. He did it again. Joseph Newgarden.
Keep going.
He's going. Out of way. He did it last year, didn't he? Yeah.
Celebrate with the fans once again.
Alan, what a
Newgarden wins again.
dramatic